How are you? What are you doing? What's that?
This is bingo. What's bingo? I in your own. I'm in your own.
What do you think, honey?
It's not Paw Patrol car.
It's not a Paw Patrol car.
Yes.
Oh no. Okay, we're not buying it then. It's not Paw Patrol car. Okay, let's go.
We're gonna buy something.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Honey, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
It is Saturday and it's currently... What time is it, Daddy?
It's 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock ng hapon. And today is a very exciting day for everyone because what are we going to do today, Paris? Can you tell Tito and Tita?
I'm gonna buy the new car.
A new car?
Patrol.
Oh, a car. Okay, what else are we gonna buy? Don't tell her, Daddy. She knows. What else? We're gonna go to the shopping center to look at
Fishing.
baby sisters. Pram! Yeah! So Daddy Mike and I and Paris are buying a new car! So bibili kami ng sasakyan, guys. Although, diba, before tayo bibili ng sasakyan, magtingin-tingin muna tayo kasi we all know na after the house, I think the car is the second most expensive thing na bibili ng isang family.
Come on, Mama.
Oh, teka muna, nak. Mama is talking first, nak. Kaya, yun. So, nakapag-research na kami ni Daddy Mike. Been looking online. Nag-search na kami sa YouTube. And we have few cars in mind already. Pero, it's still different yung pupunta ka ng mga car dealerships. Tapos, makikita mo yung sasakyan in person, diba? So, yun yung gagawin namin today. Although, nag-book ako guys sa Volkswagen na, anong tawag dito? Test drive. Pero they're not available until next weekend pa. So next weekend pa yung namin doon. Pero yung gagawin namin ngayong hapon is magtingin-tingin lang muna ng mga sasakyan. We don't know if makakapag test drive kami kasi kailangan mag-book before ka makapag test drive. So maybe this afternoon we'll just go and have a look and maybe have a feel. Alam niyo yun kung ang tawag dito, kung ano talaga yung best na car para sa amin. Kasi, as you know, the family is growing. We are having our baby girl here, number 2, very soon. So, we need a bigger car. So, at the moment, yung sasakyan namin, 4-door siya, pero maliit lang siya, guys. Maliit yung boot. And iniwan na nila ako. Kaya, mag-start na rin tayong lumabas ng ating bahay. So, we need SUV. So, kahit yung maliit na SUV lang, guys, at least, meron siyang enough space sa boot. Kasi kailangan na namin ng pram. Maybe, I don't know, guys, if... We're still thinking if we will get another pram. Or, since malaki na naman si Paris, maybe... Baby number 2 can use Paris's pram. So, we're still, thinking about that. So, maybe, yan yung gagawin din namin after magtingin-tingin ng mga sasakyan, guys. So, we have a few plans for today. Super exciting and super warm sa labas. Kaya, tingnan nyo, naka-close ang ating doors. Kaya, very excited yung ating family, guys. Of course naman, diba? Kasi, we've been planning this for a while and the day has come, char. Nandito na siya, guys. So, we will take you with us. I'll see you soon. So, ayan na yung dalawa. Paris! Paris! Wow! So, ito yung ating car. Diba, guys? So, ito yung Mazda 3. And I've had this car for 2012. So maybe 9 years na guys. Itong sasakyan na to kasi it was brand new when we bought this one. And yeah, it's time to upgrade. We needed more space. Ayan. So we are thinking pala na we are going to parang trade-in ba tong sasakyan na to para mabawas-bawas ang presyo ng bagong sasakyan. But we'll see how everything goes. But yeah, super exciting. Honey, say hi tita dito.
Hi, Tito.
How are you?
How are you?
What are you doing? What's that?
This is bingo. What's bingo? I enjoy open. I enjoy open. I enjoy bingo.
Okay.
That's funny.
It's so funny.
I enjoy bingo. What is bingo?
Like
that.
B-I-N-G-O. Are you excited, Nak? Nak, are you excited? What is that? What color car you want, Baba? What color would you like?
Red.
Red?
Like Marshall.
Like Marshall?
It's Marshall.
Oh, okay. How about black? You don't like black?
Yeah.
Like this, our car now is black.
Black?
Yeah. So you want red?
I want the red car.
You want a red car?
Yeah.
No, we have to tell Daddy.
Why don't I go to school?
We're not going to school. We're gonna go have a look at the cars. Oh. Daddy.
Yeah.
Paris wants a red car.
I know, we talked about it before, like Rada.
Like wire?
Paris wants a red car, so like Marshall, you say?
And like water too.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, we'll go have a look and see, okay?
I have one more.
So ready, steady?
My dad have one.
Ready, steady?
My dad have
Paris.
one.
Ready, steady?
Go!
Go! See you later! Park lang namin. Ayan. So that's Volkswagen Brighton. But hindi pa kami makalabas-labas kasi tingnan nyo. Oh, himbing na himbing ang ating prinsesa. Alam niyo guys, ayan o. May nakikita na si Daddy Mike. Ayan. So, sabi niya, akala niya Volkswagen guys, pero Mercedes pala yan, oh. Pero alam niyo, second hand yan siya kasi 35,000. Ayan. But it looks really nice outside.
That's right out. That's right on our price range because we're gonna get it. Like, we're looking at the $35,000 cars, but like looking to get them down.
Yeah. So yeah, it's very exciting. Hintay-hintay lang muna na magising to. Bigyan natin ng konting time. Diyan kasi guys, ayan. There's what's AMG? Is that the name of the?
No, that's just part of Mercedes. Okay. Like that's their
so
brakes.
ayan, my Mercedes dyan. Dito ang Volkswagen. I don't know what's next. Is there anything else?
Have a look.
Oh, it's just the two here.
Look on highways.
Okay. Ayan, nagising na. Baby girl, where are you going? Dito na kami mag-start, guys. Sana all Mercedes. Tingnan nyo. Mercedes, guys. Pero, may mga Mazda din sila, oh. May Audi.
Where's the Audi?
This one. Range Rover. Sobrang dami, guys. Oh my God. Sobrang ganda.
That's nice.
So I think these are second-hand, Daddy. Honey, are you hot? Are you okay? Are you okay? Come. Come to mommy.
Daddy likes this.
Ha? Hindi ko gusto yung look. Super, ano, parang manly.
Let's get the Mazda. Come on.
Ha? No?
Yeah, let's get to
Yan kami sa, ano guys, sa kaya ng bulsa. Kasi mukhang mabigat. Ito. Gosh, wala Daddy nak. Oh, Lexus man lagi ni. Mas nagmamahal. Ito yung tinitingnan namin kanina sa labas, guys. Nandun ang aming, Tesla. Anak ka, Josh! Sunod-sunod, daddy, ah. To my Volkswagen, guys. So, 58,000. Oh, Lord.
Too old.
Too old?
Yeah.
Go.
Come get what they have.
Ayan, ito kami, guys. Ito yung kailangan namin. SUVs. Mahal man ito, guys. Yung mga Lexus man to, guys. We don't need this. With Volkswagen, kayang-kaya. Yung kaya-kaya lang. Yung mga mahal-mahal. Which one do you like, Nak? Which one?
I'm not going inside.
You don't like going inside? We're not gonna go inside. Yung hinahanap namin dito sa guys, sa Volkswagen is yung T-Cross. Kasi yun yung natingnan namin online. At hindi siya masyadong talaga yung mahal na mahal talaga. Huh?
Excuse me.
This one is Lexus though.
Nice inside.
Paris wants to see, Daddy.
Is this a good Paw Patrol car?
What do you think, honey?
It's not pumpkin car.
It's not a Paw Patrol car.
Yes.
Oh no. Okay, we're not buying it then. It's not Paw Patrol
Come on,
car.
let's have a go. Look
Okay,
at
let's go.
We're gonna buy something. We're gonna buy it.
Buy it. Have a look na ko. We need a space like this. Kasi we gotta put baby Paris. Hindi na pala siya baby, guys. Sabi niya. Baby number 2, yeah. Pram and Paris is. Huh? Which one is this?
Lima.
Oh, is it?
Is this a good Paw Patrol car?
What do you think? Oh, leather.
Mama, that's not a patrol car.
Oh, it's not a Paw Patrol car. Oh no.
It's only the black one. So let's buy it.
Is this a Paw Patrol car?
So this is the T-Cross.
That's nice. I think I like the seat.
It looks small, Daddy.
This one's got the sunroof. Is it too small?
Yeah, it looks too small.
Daddy, they're not a patrol.
I think it is.
It's not. It's not a Paw Patrol.
Look inside.
Ah. It looks small, guys. Pero hindi to yung kulay na natingnan namin online. Meron parang turquoise blue. Yan. Sa loob. Kita ba sa loob? Open. Kami open na di. No,
Yeah,
it's
okay.
locked. Ah, ayan guys. Oh.
Nice.
It looks small though, yeah?
I think it's enough.
Stay here na.
But I don't like the interior. I mean, I like the interior. I don't like the seats.
Yeah.
The T-Rock
Yeah.
has got a better interior. And I think they're the same. I think the T-Rock is just a... Let's go look at this.
Good girl, Baba. Nai-in-love kami dito, guys. Ito yung Volkswagen T-Rock. Maganda. Kasi SUV siya pero hindi siya masyadong malaki. And that's what I really want. Kasi tingnan niyo ito, oh. Next. Mahaba siya. Yeah, mahaba siya. Hindi ko masyadong bet. Ito parang compact lang siya. Enough space lang ba? Oh. At alam niyo sa likod, it looks very, parang, luxury na sasakyan. Oh, no? Ganda. Pero ayoko itong kulay na to, guys. Maybe, you know, we'll have a look at the other colors available. Kasi ito parang silver. Anong kulay? What color is this one, Daddy?
That's gunmetal gray.
Ah, yeah, gunmetal gray, yeah. Do you like it, Paris?
Which one do you like more, the blue one or which one do you like more, Paris?
The blue one. That one, honey. This looks nice online, like on the computer, but the actual, yeah. Nah, I thought this was nice, guys. Sobrang ganda nito sa. Let's take cross. Now we're at Nissan Brighton. Ayan. Meron silang mga used cars doon. We'll just go. Kasi preferably, guys, we'll get like a new one for less hassle. Oh, this is nice. I think this is the one that I like, Bob. Nissan Qashqai, and that's the red as well, like the color, the shade of red that I really like. Oh, nice. Let's go in. Or maybe this one. Is that the one?
That's a nice car, Baba.
It's not a Paw Patrol. This is not the red. Is this the red one that I have? Huh. Ayan. This is, Bob, this is a bit bigger than T-Rock, yeah?
Why does it
Yeah, much bigger.
Here?
I really like this one.
Here, Mike.
What is it now?
There's a lot.
There's a lot, yeah. What color you like? Red or white?
White.
White?
Aye.
Okay.
I will right there.
You say so.
It is a Paw Patrol one.
It's super nice. Pero hindi na Paw Patrol. Guys, it looks very nice, guys. But this is around 41 though. Oh, very nice. My sunroof. Kasi yan talaga yung gusto ni Daddy Mike. You go.
You follow me.
Wow.
It's very nice, isn't it?
Dito na kami sa MG, guys. However, close sila today. Pero magtingin-tingin lang kami. Tapos, see, ang gusto kasi ni Daddy yung ZST. So that's MGHS, ZS. Ito yung ZST. ZS. That one. ZST. Pero basic lang to siya na ZST kasi wala siyang sunroof, guys. Hot, anak, hot. Yeah, so we can go inside kasi close. But ito yung isa sa pinakagusto ni Daddy Mike talaga. It's very hot, anak. Come. Let's go under the shade, Nak. It's too hot. Come. Ayan. There. Ito magandang kulay, guys. Oh. Pero nayupi man to. Ano man nangyari dito? ZS EV. Magandang kulay nito. Bright ba? Uy. Ako yung nakikita ko. Do you like that one, Nak? Where's the button? Push the button.
There.
Okay, push the button then.
No.
It's Daddy Mike. Yan talaga ang gusto niyang bilhin. Na car.
A few moments later.
Frozen. Can you sing? Yeah, can you carry, baby? Push. I'll pull it now. Pull. Wow. I like sky. There you got a new one with Tita. Go.
Mom, I forget my bag.
Yeah.
The frozen bag.
A frozen bag. This is better. Sky is better.
Hey?
You want to open and have a look in what's inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, you can put your toys in there. That's a new one.
That's from
Go get it. Wow. Say thank you, Daddy.
Dad. What the look?
That's for you.
Thank you, Daddy.
It's from a children.
Hey?
This is from a children.
For your children.
It's for children.
Yeah, that's for kids like you. When we go to the airport. Yeah.
Team Sky. Alright, let's go.
Sky. Can you close this one, please?
Mom, this is
Got
my
my knees.
friend. That's from friends.
Close the one, Bob. I opened it.
This is for girls.
That's for girls like you. It's Team Sky.
Mama,
A few moments later.
What are you doing? Daddy's cooking barbecue.
Hello, Papa.
So, Daddy, what's that?
Is that your Sky?
Daddy's got lots of meat. This one, have a look. Chicken, some sausages in there. Buddy, why are they green?
Huh?
Why are they green?
Spinach and pineapple.
Oh. Can you see that? Can you see? Kakagising lang, guys. Come to mom. So, ayan guys, time check tayo. It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi. And, kakalabas lang namin ni Paris from the car. Kasi, nakatulog siya sa sasakyan at hinayaan ko na lang muna. And now, wala siya masyado sa mood. Kasi, umuudo. Ayan, she's pushing. And si Daddy Mike, ang ating Daddy Mike ay barbecue. Ayan. Nag-beer pa siya. So, Daddy, what's your thought about today?
Yeah, I like all three of the cars. In particular,
So, tatlo guys, diba yung kanina? So, the first one was the Volkswagen T-Roc.
Yep.
Second one was Nissan Qashqai. The third one was the MG ZST Essence. The Essence?
Yeah.
Yeah, so yun yung tatlo na tinignan namin guys. However, price-wise, the cheapest one was...
Yeah, so the cheapest was the MG ZST. The most expensive was the VW T-Roc, followed closely by the Nissan Qashqai. Yeah, and I think I liked them in that order. So the most expensive one to the least expensive one. So now it's just a matter of price. So when we go to negotiate, it's what we can get the Qashqai or the T-Roc down to. And if we can't get it down to something we're comfortable with paying, then we'll settle and be happy with the ZST. All three of them are good cars. I liked all three of them.
Yeah, maganda naman silang tatlo guys. Hindi nga lang kami nakapasok sa loob ng MG kasi they are closed today, Sunday. Sunday,
All three basically come with sunroof, full electronic dashboard, fully leather interior. There's a big wasp there.
Where?
In the meat tray. Full leather interior, fully electric. Yeah, all three of them were just featured up to the max. So yeah, they're all nice.
Yeah, it's just a matter of the guys, presyo. Hello, yes, Daddy, that's a big one.
Can you kill it?
the pressure. So we'll see how it goes, guys. Pag ano lang, in the coming weeks, we will obviously go in and then, you know, decide kung ano talaga yung kukunin namin. But, yeah, at the moment, I think, you know, price-wise, MG, guys, kasi mas cheaper sila. Ha? This one? Mas cheaper sila, so. Hi, guys. Check tayo. It's now 10 o'clock ng gabi and nandito kami sa bed. Have a look at our baby girl. Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
Oh.
I feel sick.
You're feeling sick?
Yes, that's why I'm better.
Yeah, that's right. You will feel better soon. Sobrang init kasi kanina, guys. Nakita nyo naman naglakad-lakad kami, di ba? Kaya ayun, siguro na nasubawan na naman tong batang ito ba?
My dear free.
Kaya na pagkagising niya.
Free, my dear free.
3 what, sweetheart?
It's free. You have free nesting?
Yeah, that's for the morning. You only have 1 at night. Okay? Okay. Ayan, guys. So, nilagyan ko nito kasi feel ko talaga na meron siyang lagnat. May fever siya. Yeah? You have fever?
Yes, I have a fever. Have hot.
Oh, you're hot, yeah.
Just have hot in my head.
You feel better soon, okay?
Yes, I'll sleep
Because tomorrow we have to find the eggs, the chocolate eggs.
Is we're gonna eat it.
Yeah, we're gonna eat it.
My woman that had the chocolate eggs in the park.
Yeah, we will. Okay? So you feel better, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ayan, guys. I-ano natin yung vlog natin dito, guys, para makapagpahinga na. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. We'll do a quick shout out, guys. Of course, hindi natin makakalimutan yan. Ayan. So, shout out to Jocelyn Pason, Maria Cruz, the Shih Tzu Baby Boy, Lisan Bansi. Baby Boy.
Or big girl.
Yeah, big girl.
Big girl?
Yeah.
Ah.
Jane Franco, Paulina Quines, Ifigenia Zarate, Nona Romero, Belinda Jesus, Jay Cruz, Novero Yoli, Jane Bagsik, Alina Risoles, Fritzy Marjorie Ramos, Jancy Pinay, Australia, Red Sabial, Elisa Samiliano, Teza Moreno, Ruth Vega, Cherime Ongayo, and May Gao. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Wait.
hey, don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Bye.
bye.